Hi everyone, Diana here with Pamper Life, and today I received my winter CAUSEBOX and I can't wait to share with you what's inside. So let's begin. Oh, and by the way, I did a previous video where I explained what is CAUSEBOX, the subscription options, the cost. So if you want to check all those details, you can check the link that's in the description below, or you can check the card right here in case you want to check out more details and see what it's actually CAUSEBOX and what they stand for. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so on each box they have, well, this is a little giveaway option, but they always have this magazine where they show you how all the products are made, a little bit of the background of the companies that made them. So it's actually very nice, and how they're helping the environment or the different causes that they support. Okay, so let's see what I got here. I guess that was easy too. Right, so this is a card. And the first item that we have here, it's a sweater, Cozy Cloud Wrap. He thinks it's a box full of toys. Alright, so let's see what's the first item. So this is a cloud wrap. Feels super cozy. And super warm. I love this, guys. Yes, I think this is one of the items that you can actually choose when you are an annual member. You have multiple options. Like you can select from like 3 different items which ones you have. This is only for the annual members, as I explained. And then this is the second item, which is a nice cozy socks. This one was also an item that you can choose from. And then let's see, the third item is a super beautiful pair of earrings. I love this one. I really like this one. So for, as I explained, if you are on an annual membership, you can select the items that you want on your box. However, if you are in the quarterly subscription, don't get discouraged because you cannot choose, because I initially, when I tried CAUSEBOX at first, I wasn't a quarterly subscription, and everything that I got, it was like super good. So they picked up the items that you receive on your box, but they are all super good. So I never got something that I didn't really like. And this is another item that's included. It's a face toner. Really like. I really like it. I was needing one of these. So we have a face toner, and one of my favorite is a 2021 planner and agenda. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, we have this. Nice. And the last item that's on the box will be a set of reusable Post-its. I hope I'm pronouncing it well, but yeah, I think these are super handy. I love them. I really like them. EPA free, requiring the use. I like it. So that's all that is included on our CAUSEBOX. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's see. Super cozy. I love it.